Alright, here we go. We're gonna take a listen at it. See what's going on. Hit it, Mike. Let them hear it, Mike. A little bit more. Yeah. Give it a little more. There you go. Now you like that, don't you?
That's sexy. That's sexy.
Yeah.
That's so I can sync up the videos.
Oh my God, crazy. Crazy.
Alright, let's check that.
Alright, I've removed the old exhaust system. It's over there. And now I'm removing this bracket, which I didn't know I had to do. And it was hidden behind this plastic cover here. So I took the screw out and pulled it. And behind there's a couple screws. 1, 2, 3. You take those out. I thought the new bracket was gonna bolt onto here, but I just realized gotta take that out and then mount the new bracket where those holes are. So I'm gonna do that now. Here it is, the C50. Yeah, on the back side. Okay, let me get this mounted. And they look pretty good so far. Let me back up so you can see what we have so far. And I got my my daughter, who's only 7 years old. She's my helper. And so they're looking good. I'm gonna finish tightening everything up and then turn it on and see what it sounds like. Anyway, I just came back from riding. I just got off of it right now, and I'm gonna wipe down the pipes a little bit. Okay, you know what? They don't feel too hot. That's good, because they got all the stains on them from just installing them. So, oh wow, yeah, they don't. All right, so where was I? My phone got interrupted. Okay, so yeah, let me turn it on. And oh my God, I love it. It sounds great. It sounds really great. Yeah, when I'm doing like 60 on the highway, you can't really hear it anymore. But and when you're cruising, it's, you know, you still hear it. It's not loud. It's cruisable sound. It's great. It looks great. It sounds great. And let me turn it on. Here you go.